One day I was driving, minding my own business, driving, and all of a sudden came across the school, and I looked and I saw my name. My name was on the school's marquee. It said Mr. Brown. And I was at the school I was coming to, and the school was Howell Mountain Elementary School. This video is for you. Oh, yeah.
Yo, hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown.
Hello, Howell Mountain Elementary students. Mr. Brown here, and I know you know it's me, because how could you forget this beautiful face? Anyway, hey, I want to say thank you for a great time. The big assembly from all of you was really fun. I had two assemblies, one with everybody, one with the 5th, 8th graders. This video is for everybody. And I'm grateful that you listened and hopefully took something away. And I want to say, you young kids, y'all little ones, TK kindergartners, y'all did so well listening. I talked for like maybe 30, 40, 45 minutes, almost an hour, and y'all were engaged the entire time. So thank you, thank you, thank you. For that, you get a round of applause. If you didn't get it, it was a round. You get a round of applause. Anyway, you get a round of applause, but all of you do because you all listen. Hopefully, you walked away with a few things. Number one, I hope you guys are learning how to stay focused in class. If your neighbor starts talking to you, just go like this. Ignore your neighbor. Don't look at them. Don't start talking to them because you need to stay focused. Number two, how to raise your hand. Remember, students, if you do that, your teachers will go like this. You gotta try it. And hopefully, teachers, will y'all help us out here? If the kids consistently do this, and again, just don't do it and blurt. This is to remind you to keep this closed, so this is called on. Also, you don't have to put your hand on your mouth, because like I said, y'all hands get dirty sometimes. You don't put germs in your mouth. Just put it in front to remind you, keep this closed, so this is called on. And ultimately, you learn two other things. You learned a lot maybe, but this one. I am responsible for me. My thoughts, my words, and my actions. You're responsible for those things. So take personal responsibility because it's up to you. The things you think, what you watch, and what you let into your mind, the things that you say to other people, how you treat people, and the things that you do. So please understand, embrace personal responsibility no matter how old you are, because it's up to you. Because I am responsible for me. And lastly, it's all a choice. And when you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh, yeah. Hey, if you came to the family night, I'm making another follow-up video for the family night with clips of our time together because we had fun. If you didn't come to the family night, you missed it. I'm sorry you missed it. I'm sorry you couldn't come. But we had a great time at the family night, and you got a free sticker. Now, I gave the administration some extra stickers, so hopefully I can give them out the way they want to give them out because I want you to have a sticker. And whether you get a sticker or not, I want you always to remember. More than remember Mr. Brown, remember the message. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. And always choose well. Oh, yeah. You want to watch more of my videos? I have a YouTube channel for kids. It's called Mr. Brown Kids. Talk to your parents. Go to YouTube, type in Mr. Brown Kids. You can find it. For you older kids, go to Hello, Mr. Brown. So look on YouTube and look up Hello, Mr. Brown. Spell out Mr. both times. You'll find my YouTube channel. And if you guys on social media, which some of you are, hey, look up Hello, Mr. Brown. All my tags are that, whether it be Snapchat, YouTube, whether it be Instagram, but I am not on TikTok. If you want to know why, I made a video about why I'm not on TikTok on my YouTube channel. So check it out. Until next time I come to your school. Peace!